on June 5, while on a food aid mission in Buena Vista, Quezon province, our soldiers were attacked again by the NPA rebels. Itong mga wala na ito, they do not have the ideology. Wala na yan silang prinsipyo sa ulo nila makipag-away. They are there to plunder. And to just, for the sheer brutality of it all, they want to kill our soldiers. Yan ang dito napakahirap. The police and soldiers across the country have been distributing food aid and other needs. At despite the sacrifice of the men and women of the armed forces of the Philippines and the police, still they are the object of itong depredations, attack. Hindi ko maintindihan itong any pandemic where everybody is in need of food and everything. Sa Bisaya pa, I don't know about the Tagalog for the daginot, yung ano bang daginot sa Tagalog? Parang pati yung mga gano'n na maliliit na bagay na hindi dapat gawin, kinakalkal pa rin nila ng away. So, they only have the condemnation of the people, especially from me. Kaya hindi talaga tayo magkaintindihan kailanman. No peace talks can ever succeed under me or under any other president if you do not stop attacking government forces and even civilian leaders. Yung mga barangay captain, ang mga barangay captain is one sector na maraming pinatay ang NPA sa ngayon. Sila ang favorite target. Especially itong mga barangay captains na proactive in favor of government. They are always the object of assassination. Sige lang, total ang sundalo, may mahuli isa, dalawa, magpapiyait naman yan kung ano. Then we would know what to do with you. What you can do, I can do better 10 times over. Anong kaya ninyo, kaya kong gawin. So, I would know how to deal with you. You are insensitive of the plight of the people na kailangan ng pagkain pati tulong ng gobyerno. Hindi kami nagkulang sa tulong, bilyon yung amin. Hindi yung pitsi-pitsi. And DILG is doing it the correct way. So, nandyan yung but I'd like the soldiers to know and the families of the fallen heroes that the nation is very grateful to you, and we would know also how to reciprocate their bravery. Itong lahat na ito, total identified man yan sila, kasi hindi matago eh. Justice will be served sa kanila in the end.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.